Welcome back to Learn with Matham. Hello, Tech Wizards. Today, we're diving into the heart of network management with Active Directory. If you've ever wondered how to optimize user access, manage resources efficiently, or enhance security within your network, you're in the right place. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's unlock the power of Active Directory together. Do you know what the directory and directory service are in networking? In networking, a directory refers to a centralized database or information repository that stores and manages various resources within a network. And a directory service is a software application or service that stores, organizes, and provides access to information in a directory. Now, Active Directory or AD is a Microsoft directory service that manages and networks users, computers, and resources. It acts as a centralized database that stores information about users, their passwords, and their access rights to different network resources. Active Directory is used primarily in Windows environments, and it provides a hierarchical structure for organizing and managing resources. This service brings multiple advantages for organizations, including centralized user and resource management, improved security, and simplified administration. With Active Directory, administrators can control resource access by assigning permissions to users and groups. This centralized approach makes managing user accounts and resources easier across the network, reducing the administrative burden on IT staff. Domains. A domain is a logical grouping of network objects, such as computers, users, printers, and resources that share a common directory database and security policies. It's the basic unit of organization in Active Directory. Domains can contain users, groups, computers, and other objects. Each domain has its security policies and trust relationships with other domains. In other words, just imagine the domain as a physical space like an office or multiple offices. If you're within the domain, you are in a theoretically safe space and trusted. If outside, you are untrusted, so the domain would effectively be your castle with a moat around it. Okay, now let's talk about the tree structure in Active Directory. A tree is a collection of one or multiple domains grouped together in a hierarchical parent-child structure, featuring a contiguous namespace and transitive trust relationships between the domains. And finally, the forest is the highest level in Active Directory, consisting of one or multiple trees. It's a collection of interconnected domains sharing a common schema, configuration, and global catalog. Organizational units or OUs are containers within a domain used to organize and manage objects, such as users, groups, and computers, in a more granular way. They provide a hierarchical structure within a domain for applying group policies, delegating administrative tasks, and organizing resources based on departments, locations, or other criteria. Now it's time to check the group policy. Group Policy Object, or GPO, is a collection of settings that define how computers or users operate within an Active Directory environment. It's a set of policies that administrators can create and apply to groups of computers or users. GPOs are used to enforce security settings, control user environments, deploy software, manage system configurations, and more. They are configured using the Group Policy Management Console and are linked to sites, domains, or organizational units within Active Directory. Now, at the end of the video, I hope you're familiar with the concept of Active Directory and its related terms. In my next video, I'll dive into a comprehensive guide on installing and configuring Active Directory. But wait, there's more. I'll be sharing crucial best practices and insider tips, creating a checklist that will be a game changer when designing and deploying Active Directory for your organization or clients. Join me in the next video to empower your Active Directory journey.